Looking for the best Garmin watch in 2025? In this video, we're counting down the top 5 Garmin watches, ranked from number 5 to number 1, covering everything from fitness features to battery life. Our number 1 pick stands out as the best overall, and you won't want to miss it. Check the description for links to all the models mentioned. Let's get started. At number 5, Garmin epix Pro Gen 2 Sapphire Edition is a premium, high-performance smartwatch crafted for serious athletes and adventurers. Featuring a durable sapphire crystal lens and a robust titanium bezel, this 51mm beast is built to last in extreme conditions. Its vibrant AMOLED display is visible in bright sunlight and offers crisp clarity for viewing maps and stats. It includes advanced training metrics, including VO2 max, stamina tracking, and real-time performance insights. The built-in LED flashlight is perfect for nighttime activities or emergencies, while multiband GNSS ensures pinpoint GPS accuracy, even in challenging terrain. Plus, its extended battery life and solar charging support make it ideal for long outdoor treks. Though it's our number 5 pick, it's still a powerhouse packed with features, offering exceptional value for its premium design and performance. At number 4, Garmin Instinct 2X Solar is a rugged smartwatch built for those who demand endurance and performance. Its standout feature is solar charging capability, offering potentially unlimited battery life under the right conditions. Designed to U.S. military standards and water-resistant up to 100 meters. The built-in LED flashlight improves visibility in low light, while multiband GNSS ensures accurate location tracking wherever you roam. Despite its tough exterior, it also tracks heart rate, sleep, stress, and more, making it ideal for athletes and explorers alike. Its monochrome display is readable even in harsh sunlight, and the intuitive interface makes it easy to navigate. This watch is perfect for those who live off the grid, with features that support both tactical and everyday use. If you're after rugged dependability, solar power, and essential smart features, the Instinct 2X is a phenomenal choice. At number 3, Garmin Venu 3 combines premium style with powerful health and fitness tracking. Its stainless steel bezel and AMOLED touchscreen offer a sleek, modern design suitable for both gym and office settings. This smartwatch goes beyond step counting. It tracks heart rate, respiration, stress, sleep quality, and energy levels through body battery monitoring. The built-in GPS lets you map your runs without a phone, and the voice assistant and call functionality help you stay connected. It's also a great pick for accessibility, with wheelchair mode and nap detection features. The 45mm case size strikes a balance between display clarity and comfort. This package includes a 2-year CPS Enhanced Protection Pack, ensuring peace of mind with added warranty coverage. If you want a stylish smartwatch that's just as focused on health as it is on smart features, the Venu 3 is a fantastic all-around pick. At number 2, Garmin Forerunner 965 is tailor-made for runners, triathletes, and high-performance athletes. It features a stunning AMOLED display, offering vivid visuals even in direct sunlight. With advanced training metrics like load ratio, recovery insights, and wrist-based running dynamics, this smartwatch helps you train smarter, not just harder. Its multiband GPS provides exceptional accuracy, whether you're on a trail or in an urban jungle. The watch is also incredibly light and sleek, making it comfortable enough for all-day wear. Its battery life impresses too, up to 23 days in smartwatch mode and 31 hours in GPS mode. You'll also get features like music storage, Garmin Pay, and smartphone notifications. If you're looking for a performance tracker that can also serve as your daily driver, the Forerunner 965 offers an excellent balance of intelligence, style, and stamina. At number 1, topping our list is the Garmin Fēnix 7X Pro Solar, the ultimate multi-sport GPS smartwatch for adventurers, endurance athletes, and outdoor explorers. Featuring solar charging technology, it can go for weeks without needing a plug, making it ideal for off-grid adventures. Its rugged design includes a built-in LED flashlight, a tough power sapphire lens, and premium construction that meets military standards. The multi-band GNSS and preloaded topo maps make navigation reliable anywhere. It also includes 24/7 health monitoring, advanced training tools, and real-time stamina tracking. With support for over 80 sports modes, including running, skiing, biking, and swimming, this watch adapts to any lifestyle. The massive 1.4 display is easy to read in sunlight, and the customizable widgets keep important data at your fingertips. If you're after elite-level performance, durability, and true versatility, the fēnix 7X Pro Solar is second to none. So that wraps up our list of the top 5 best Garmin smartwatches of 2025. Whether you're a casual fitness enthusiast or a hardcore endurance athlete, there's something here for every need and budget. Link, don't forget, you can check prices and more details in the description and comments below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay active and take care.